Altnabreac Towers. News Channel. Intermediate Diet Hearing. Wick Sheriff Court. 21st of January, 2026. The rail charges at the center of the case include: the charges accuses the pair of having, on the 1st of March, last year, 2024, culpably and recklessly and without a disregard for the consequences crossed barriers onto the level crossing at Altnabreac station and onto the rail track while trains were approaching, to the danger of themselves and passengers and staff on board. Appleby and Howe, a former police detective, are further alleged to have acted in an aggressive manner towards and sworn at police constables Matthew O'Neill and Scott Chapman and struggled with them. The pair, who live at the former Altnabreac station house, were granted bail with a condition banning them from the level crossing and the rail track. The prosecution was originally brought on indictment but was subsequently reduced to summary level, meaning the trial will be heard by the sheriff with no jury. Above credit to the John O'Groat Journal. In Scotland's criminal courts, an intermediate diet is a crucial procedural hearing before a summary trial, designed to confirm both the prosecution and defense are fully ready to proceed, check witness lists, and ensure the case is on track. Aiming to prevent last-minute trial postponements by addressing issues like plea changes or disclosure problems early on, often involving discussions between lawyers. Purpose of an intermediate diet: check readiness, ascertain if both the prosecutor, Crown, and the accused, defense, are prepared for a trial. Plea confirmation: confirm if the accused still intends to plead not guilty or if a guilty plea is planned. Witness management: review the number of witnesses required and identify if any are vulnerable. Trial confirmation: confirm the trial can proceed on the scheduled trial diet date. If not, a new date may be set. What happens at the hearing? At his report, both the defense solicitor and prosecutor update the court on their readiness. Evidence lists of witnesses and evidence to be used are provided. Resolving issues: any outstanding issues, like incomplete disclosure or legal aid problems, are addressed. Outcomes: case proceeds. If both parties are ready, the court confirms the trial will go ahead. Adjournment/postponement: if a party isn't ready, the trial can be postponed, or a further intermediate diet scheduled. Warrant for arrest: if the accused fails to appear, the court can issue a warrant for the arrest, which also discharges the trial diet unless the court orders otherwise. Context: it's a key part of summary procedure, less serious cases, in Scotland, established by Law Criminal Procedure Scotland Act 1995, to make court processes more efficient. Pre-intermediate diet meetings, PIDMs, are sometimes held before the diet for early discussions between Crown and defense. Bridge Street, Wick. Ian Thomas Appleby and Elizabeth Howe. Wick Sheriff Court. Wednesday, the 21st of January, 2026. Court reference number SCS 2025019562. PF reference number W1240000098. Court 1, 10 a.m. There will not be a WebEx link for the calling of this case. If no further issues transpire, the case is then due to be heard and go to trial on Thursday, the 19th of February, 2026. Thanks for watching. Keep following the channel.